Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So this OnePlus 12 is going on a sale at around 56,000 rupees. And along with this, you'll also get OnePlus Buds Pro 2, which generally costs around 8K. And trust me, I've used these buds as my primary gears for many months. And they are very good with adaptive noise cancellation up to 48 dB, Dyne audio support, special audio head tracking, and amazing battery life. This one video will be more than enough for you guys to decide whether to buy OnePlus 12 during this sale or not. So watch the entire video. And now before starting, if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. See, everything is not perfect on OnePlus 12. So first we'll talk about some good things about OnePlus 12 and later we'll discuss its drawback. The hardware is top notch on OnePlus 12. It has USB Type 3.2 Gen 1, so you can easily use the device for streaming games. It also supports DisplayPort, which can provide resolution up to Ultra HD 4K and allows for faster data transfer speed. Both the variants of OnePlus 12 have UFS 4.0, which offers better read and write speed, improves multitasking, better gaming performance, enhanced 4K 8K video recording. UFS 4.0 also improves installation speed of applications and launch time of the applications. This is the only phone I've used the most, and I have never used any case on this device, though I did use screen protectors on and off and only has minor scratches on the side frame, which are hard to find unless you look closely. The phone has Gorilla Glass support at the back and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 support at the front, but I always recommend to use a good case and a good screen guard. Without a doubt, this phone looks premium, though it's slightly on heavier side, weighing around 220 grams. However, due to the weight balancing, you won't find it difficult to hold. Thanks to the proper curves on the back, you can use the device for longer hours without discomfort. It also has the iconic alert slider along with an IR blaster on the top, and I personally use this IR blaster a lot with my ACs, smart fans, and other smart products. Another good thing about OnePlus 12 is the display. It has a massive 6.8-inch curved AMOLED panel and LTPO works great, helping you to save some battery. It supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and has a peak brightness of 4500 nits. However, the peak brightness doesn't matter much. The high brightness mode is 1600 nits, which is more than enough to use your device under direct sunlight without any visibility issues. You can enjoy HDR content on Netflix and even on YouTube. The OnePlus 12 offers accurate and vivid color reproduction, which is important for viewers who prefer true-to-life colors while watching shows, movies, or editing content. The sound output is well balanced between the bottom firing speaker and the top speaker. I would say it's not the loudest sound output, but it provides distortion-free audio even at high volumes, making it ideal for media consumption without external speakers or headphones. One of the best part of high-end OnePlus smartphones is the haptic feedback, and thanks to OHaptic engine, which makes the haptics crisp and strong, haptic feedback implementation in the UI is on another level. You slide the volume slider, you feel haptic. You slide the brightness slider, you feel that haptic. On OnePlus, they are the best, I would say. OnePlus 12 is already running OxygenOS 14.0, which is actually based on OxygenOS 14.1. And this device is about to get OxygenOS 15. Currently, OnePlus is testing OxygenOS 15 in closed beta, and they are running the closed beta 5 build. I'm expecting the first open beta very soon, within another 10 days I guess. OnePlus introduced the new animation engine, and trust me, OnePlus has one of the best animations currently. And I'm sure people using this device knows how good animations are on OnePlus. This device also has the long-term support of OS updates. It will get 4 years of major OS upgrades and 5 years of security patch updates, which is another plus point. Personally, I feel the software experience is very minimal, though minor bugs do appear here and there, but they are not that major which will affect your daily usage. Overall, in terms of software, I don't have any kind of issues with the OnePlus 12. And now let's talk about some of the places where OnePlus needs to improve, as the OnePlus 12 is a flagship device. The first one is the battery. This device comes with massive 5400 mAh of battery capacity, and it also supports 100 watt of fast charging along with 50 watt of wireless charging support. This device hardly takes 30 minutes to fully charge to 100%. But after the last 2 updates, or you can say since OnePlus have introduced this new animation engine, the battery backup is not that good on OnePlus 12. Now on an average, I've been getting around 5.5 hours of screen on time. Before, the OnePlus used to cross 7 hours of screen on time. So currently the battery backup is an issue on OnePlus 12. However, the battery backup depends on many factors, including individual usage pattern. This is my experience after the latest update. I think it all started after July update. Until now, I personally feel the battery backup isn't that good on OnePlus 12. After multiple tests, I found that overnight battery drain is very minimal on OnePlus 12, which is around 2 to 3%. See, another place where actually OnePlus needs to improve, and that's in the gaming performance. I'm not talking only about OnePlus 12, All other OnePlus smartphones also have these issues. See, this device has the best specs like Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor based on 4nm technology and support of LPDDR5X RAM. But still, the gaming experience is not that good. I do a lot of gaming to test my phones after every update, and this time I did an intense gaming sessions. During an extended 199 minutes of BGMI session, the average FPS what we got on OnePlus 12 was 76.8 FPS. But there were FPS drops from 90 to 60 during intense moments, like heavy fights. This is a repeated issue on OnePlus smartphones. And in our intense testing, we also noticed the device also reached the maximum temperature. In a first session, we noticed somewhere around 48 degrees Celsius, and in the second session, we noticed around 50 degrees Celsius, despite being tested in the ambient conditions of under 30 degrees Celsius. The high temperature caused some throttling, leading to performance issues and FPS drop during extended gaming. 60 FPS recording showed some frame drops during intense moments. The average FPS stayed above 50, but in some instances, it also dropped as low as 17 to 30 FPS. OnePlus claims to improve the gaming on OnePlus 12 with OxygenOS 15 update, but I still wouldn't recommend it to people who are into competitive gaming. iQOO is always a better phone for gaming, delivering stable 60 or 90 FPS with no major drops. Now let's also talk about the camera, and here also I feel OnePlus can do better in camera segments too. One thing to remember, OnePlus 12 has a pretty good camera setup, like 50 megapixel primary sensor, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 64 megapixel periscope lens supporting 3x optical zoom and 6x sensor zoom, along with a 32 megapixel selfie sensor. I would say camera is not the best in the market, but it's good enough. The OnePlus still faces challenges in certain areas, especially in the darker regions of photos. The primary camera captures sharp and vibrant images with excellent color accuracy thanks to Hasselblad calibration. Indoor shots highlight great details and texture, while outdoor shots showcase a good dynamic range, capturing both bright and shadowy areas effectively. Portrait mode occasionally struggles with edge detection, though it's not a consistent issue. A persistent problem is the color shifting between ultra-wide and the primary lens, which hasn't been resolved on OnePlus 12. The camera performs well under neon lights and bright signs with minimal glare and good contrast. Indoor shots under artificial lighting remain sharp and vibrant with excellent color accuracy. Night shots effectively capture both bright and darker areas without overexposure. Selfies are sharp, maintaining the natural skin tone with a balanced dynamic range that avoids overexposing the background. In terms of video recording, the camera performs well in indoor with a good stabilization and smooth lens switching. However, there is still room for improvements. Currently, there are two major concerns with OnePlus smartphones. One of them is the Greenline and the second one is the motherboard dead issues. OnePlus has mostly resolved the Greenline issues by offering one free screen replacement for the life, which can be claimed from the RCC section on your OnePlus smartphone. The second issue is the dead motherboard. OnePlus has stated that this issue occurred in few units due to the third-party repair. But we cannot, completely rely on their statement, and they are offering anywhere between 10% to 30% of repair cost. However, customer will still need to pay a significant amount even after the discount, which I feel it's not a good decision. See, OnePlus 12 is a solid smartphone offering excellent build quality, a vibrant display, great haptic feedback, and reliable sound performance. It excels in many areas like display, software support, general performance. However, the recent updates have led to a noticeable drop in the battery performance. And while the camera and the gaming are decent, they still fall short compared to the other flagship options like iQOO for gaming and competitors for the camera quality. The Greenline issues are almost sorted out, but there's another fear of dead motherboard. But those with the limited access to service centers may still want to reconsider. If you are looking for a premium device with good all-rounder features and can take a risk of these Greenline and the motherboard dead, then OnePlus 12 is a great choice, especially considering the value for money in 55 to 56 price range. But still, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you guys find this video useful and lets you decide whether to buy this device or not. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.